Hi, this is Allie from Allie Scraps, and I'm here to show you how I put together this layout using a template and story starter from the Simple Scrapper membership. I also used this kit called Take Root from One Little Bird and Lauren Greer. I thought using this kit was perfect because the story starter that I used was about going green, and I thought it'd be perfect to scrapbook this picture of my son crawling around the grass because he loves the outdoors and the kit's very outdoorsy, and I just thought it fit really well together. Now, if you're not a member of Simple Scrapper, well, number one, you should be because it's amazing. But in addition to a bunch of classes and challenges and things like that, every month we get several sketches and a theme of story starters that kind of like help guide some scrapbooking. And you don't use them every month, but they're really nice to have like a backlog of. But I really like using the sketches because not only are they sketches, but they're also templates that you can use in Photoshop, which is what I'm doing right now, and like add your digital scrapbooking and stuff like that. Or if you're a paper scrapper, you can absolutely use it just as a sketch or a guideline. But I love that in Photoshop there's the different elements that you can clip your papers to, or you can kind of like guide what elements that you're using. Now, since I had my son, I'm actually really big on scrapping one picture and then a really big story or a lot of journaling. I didn't used to be this way at all. I used to be like fit as many pictures as I could on the page or, just like let not just one picture tell the story, but we have so many great pictures of him that just tell so much of a story or have so much more of a background that I'm really, really into a lot of journaling and one picture, which is amazing that my scrapbooking changed that way. Another thing that's kind of changed about my scrapbooking is a lot of my journaling tends to be letters to my son, and that's what this journaling was as well. And the journaling reads, Jackson, I love how much you love to be outside. Stroller walks, baby pool swims, hikes, rolling around the grass, you love it all, and that makes me so happy. You're going to be a little brown bear by the end of the summer, and I know you're going to be so cute. I can't wait to see you grow up and start to help dad outside. Mom might not have a green thumb, but your dad sure does. I can't wait to see you learn from him and just enjoy being outside together, gardening, playing basketball, hanging out. Mom, love to be outside too, but completely different activities. I'm more of a read a book in the hammock, play in the pool, go to summer camp kind of outdoor gal. And I hope you love to do all these things from both dad and I. Just stay a little outdoor loving brown bear no matter how old you get. And another way that my scrapbooking changed a bit was like I just started scrapping just mostly kit scrapbooking, and digital scrapbooking makes this so easy because all of the colors coordinate and or all the elements coordinate as well, and so it makes it really easy to pull a page together without having to think too much about what you're using. And I love this kit for that because everything coordinated so well together and the theme really fit, and then the colors match the photo perfectly, and I just love that. So as I'm finishing up this page, just adding washi and bows and some anchoring paper at the bottom just to kind of tie the page all together and make it feel a little bit more balanced. I really encourage you to subscribe if you like the videos like this, and to also head over to my blog, alliescraps.com, to see a little bit more about this page and get links to everything that I used. And then I also really encourage you to check out the Simple Scrapper membership because just the templates and the story starters are really amazing, especially if you're having a really hard time getting started. So that's the finished layout, and I would love it if you liked this video, if you enjoyed it, and share with your friends, or just subscribe to my channel if you'd love to see more videos like this. Thank you!